the lunch hour, there's been a change of guard at Coal India. NC Jha taking over as the chairman and managing director from Partha Bhattacharya. Bloomberg UTV's Ramarko Sengupta spoke with Jha earlier on and asked him things like how much the company is suffering by way of things like environmental clearances and land acquisition issues.
The first major task is offtake of coal, because all our pits at the pit head have lots of coal lying. Even though we have not been able to produce up to the targeted level, the build-up in stock or the growth in stock has been quite huge, and that's a cause of major concern for us, because even if we produce and that coal doesn't move to the consumer, then we have to keep it stocking there, and coal is a material which cannot be stocked for a long time. So my first challenge, I feel, is to make this coal move from the pit head. And then the other challenges are there, like we have to enable the areas to be mined, and for that several clearances which are required for environmental clearance and the clearance for mining forest area, these have to be expedited. We have to have better relationship with all the agencies so that these clearances come about in real time, and we are able to mine such coal. The third challenge, what I feel, is the rehabilitation and resettlement challenge and land acquisition issue, the tenancy land acquisition issue. This is getting more complex year by year, and we have to make a lot of efforts in keeping the people in the surrounding area happy, effectively implementing our corporate social responsibility plans, and get the land at the shortest possible time. So I feel that apart from these three major challenges, the fourth one, I keep it fourth because unless we mine, we don't take care of the environment. So environmental challenge, mitigating the environmental challenges is the fourth major thrust area that we have to address.
As far as prices are concerned, you've just hiked prices, but still there is a lot of disparity with international prices. Going forward, is there a possibility of you hiking prices any further?
You see, if you compare with the international coal prices, first thing we have to understand that international coal is generally a washed coal which has consistency in size and quality. We sell coal not by generally washing, but partly washing. Part of our coal produced gets washed. So we cannot just compare our coal with the international coal. That's point number one. Point number two is that quality-wise, the heat content-wise, these two coals are different. Our coal has got much higher ash content. So our attempt has been that whichever coal of ours is comparable to the quality of the imported coal, there should be a convergence of price, and that convergence cannot take place all of a sudden. So in our recent price hike, we have intended to bring the A and B grade coal prices. So I mean, this quality of coal is not much in quantity, but whatever it is, that price we are trying to bring at par with the imported price at a discount, because we are selling this coal unwashed, and we are bringing that imported coal in a washed form. So that's one convergence that we have looked at, but there is not much of quantity in this category. And the other one is that the non-power and non-fertilizer sector consumers whose end products are not regulated, for them we have raised the price a little bit. They may say it is high, but we feel that still compared to the imported coal price is quite lower. So we have made it about 30% higher, because that's the floor price for e-auction.
The incoming head of Coal India. A quick break here on the lunch hour. On the other side, an exclusive interview with the Finance Minister.